easy Scarecrow makeup do's and don'ts. Let's do it. So the first don't is drawing a basic brown square on your face, then outlining it in black and adding the basic little line details. Adding orange to the nose in kind of like a tear shape, then outlining that in black. Drawing a line and adding some lines. So this is how the don't side of the Scarecrow looks. Now for the do side. First you want to do some orange blush in a circle shape right on the middle of your cheek. Then just add some dots, add some more orange to your nose, then outline it with a thin line. Add some lines going along. You can do your line. You want to use white lines, a mix of straight and X's. Just do some black dots at the end. I added some white lines to the nose too, so it matches the mouth. Smoke out some black eyeshadow along your lower lash line, wing it out, and start making some lines down as if my mascara's running. Now I'm going to show you how to make the patch look a lot better. Start off with some white face paint. I'm just going to do some lines going in opposite directions. So now I'm going to do the same with a brown face paint going in a different direction and then down. And if you really want to take this look to the next level, add some lenses and some big crazy lashes. And that's it. Here's the end result. Do you prefer the do side or the don't side? If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.